Hi, in this video we are going to talk about the endless lines. Endless lines are existed in draw list. You can choose the first one, which is construction line, which draws an infinity line in any direction you want. The other one, which is ray. Ray, you can choose the first point and the other point of the line is infinity. We will start with the construction line. Construction line is a line extended from infinity, from the first direction of the line, to infinity in the other direction of the line. The shortcut of this command is XL. Construction line, the shortcut of this command is XL, then press enter. You can see you have 5 methods to draw a construction line. The first one, which is horizontal, that draws an infinity line in the horizontal direction. Now we see here that the lines are restricted in the horizontal direction. Enter again. We have also vertical. If you press on vertical, you can see that the line has been restricted to the vertical direction. Again, if we take the construction line, we have also angular. Angular, you can specify the angle of the line, not an X or an Y direction. For example, if you want to draw a construction line with an angle, for example, with 35, then enter 35, then press enter. Now you can see that the line has been drawn in the angle with the angle 35. Another one, which is bisect. Bisect lets you choose the direction of the line freely. For example, you can specify the start point, then you can choose the direction and you can rotate it as you want. For example, if we have here the horizontal line, the last one is by drawing a construction line with an offset. So you have an existed construction line and you want to draw another one with a distance between them. For example, if you want to draw another line here with distance, for example 10, then press on offset, then enter 10, then press enter, click on the line, construction line, then specify the direction, for example above, then you will have the construction line, the new construction line in above. If you also have a vertical, you can repeat this process again. Go to offset, then specify, for example this time take it 20, click on the line, then specify the direction, then you will have a line with the distance that you have specified in the offset option. That was all for the command construction line. The other command, which is ray. Ray draws a line that starts from a specific point and extends to infinity. The shortcut of this command, which is the same name, ray, you can type ray. Now it asks you to specify start point. For example, if you specify this point, you can see that the line or the ray moves or rotates freely around the 360 degrees. You can restrict it by activating ortho mode. You can see that it's restricted in X and Y direction. If you want to specify the angle of this ray, you can type this expression. At first, you have to specify a length. The length is not important because the length of this ray is infinity. The length of this line is infinity. So enter any length, it's not matter. Just the important is the angle of this ray. For example, if you want an angle for 60 degrees, then at 1 means the length 1, but the length is not important as we said before, and the degree is 60. Then press enter. Now you can see that the line has been drawn in length 60. If you want to check, I can draw this line and I need to draw another line from this point to this point, for example, just to be fit on this line, because we can't measure the angle between any line and the ray. You have to draw another line over this ray. Go to annotation, press on this arrow, then choose angular, click on the first line and on the other line, and then you can see that the angle of this ray is 60. And so on, you can choose any angle of this ray. That was all for the commands construction line and ray.